In this episode of Andy's Road Trip, we are up to the number 26. Let's see which piece that is. We did the Dunlop van. Oh, listen. The box is dead mint.
Wow!
It's the cement mixer. Let's take a good close look at it. I see that inside there is no base, but it does read Lesney, England, and the number 26. I have the gray plastic wheels with a silver grill. So this piece is worth a solid $100 mint in box. And this is definitely new old store stock. So let's get it on the treadmill and really push it to the limits.